We never do videos. So I'm making a video right now. I'm recording.
Okay.
This is the start. I wouldn't call it a build. We're just cleaning everything. This guy's taco. I'm working on the 73 Silverado C30 dually. What the hell's that noise? Oh, it's a little drum mill. This is what started the whole thing. I don't know if you can see those. Cracks. All that. New parts. Sorry.
Cheers.
We're having a late lunch.
They are multiplying. It is very cool.
Your filter. Part number.
Okay, you want all sheets?
Then we got Pioneer modulator. Neighbor. Somewhat. Oh, look, it even comes with the new hose. New hose elbow.
Hey, check that out.
You get a new elbow.
We can take my makeshift one off.
Yeah.
Sweet.
We got this right here. It's adjustable. I didn't know that.
Okay.
Not bad. $11. We're just cleaning everything up because it was knocking and I got scared thinking the motor was done. Well, not the motor, it's up, but I thought I had a rod knock. We try to clean her up with the wire wheel and get as much of the dirt off. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but a lot cleaner than she was. I wish I would have had before video of how ugly she was.
I got somewhat of a little video of it. She was pretty.